Welcome to the Employees tab. From here, you can see a list of your active employees and some useful additional information about them. You can see if they're registered. Those who have registered will have a check mark here. Those who have not yet registered will instead show a resend invitation button. Clicking on this button actually will send them a new invitation. You can see if they are subscribed. Those who have hit unsubscribe in an email will have the red circle here. They will no longer receive system emails from us. If you have gamification turned on, you'll see that person's level. You'll also be able to see how many contacts they have, how many referrals, and how many hires they've made, their current role, and their current department. If someone is already an employee, this is the best place to change their role. So for example, if I wanted to change Andrew from administrator status to recruiter status, I would simply click here, change him to a recruiter, and click continue. And you'll see that that changes. You can also see your list of admins and a list of recruiters. These two screens are very similar to each other. First, you'll notice that you do have an option to invite new administrators. You would only want to do this if that person is not yet an employee. If they are on the employees list, it's easier just to change their role using the method I just showed you. But if they are not on the employees list, you can send them a new invitation and they will be invited as an admin. There's some useful information here as well. You can see how many times the person has logged in and when their last sign-in date was. This is especially useful for making sure that recruiters are coming to the tool often and that they are following up with their referrals. You'll see an option to edit over here. This is mainly to be able to edit that person's name or email. This is important as we match up the name coming from your ATS exactly with the name in our system to assign requisition owners to each job. You can also invite employees from this tab. There are a few different ways to do it. One, you do have the option to upload an employee's report or to email the employee's report. For those of you who are sending your employee's report to our auto inbox, that auto inbox is found here, in case you ever forget. Perhaps the most useful feature is the Invite Employees Individually tab. From here, you can put in a number of email addresses, separating them with commas, and immediately invite people. This is especially useful if you are doing a new hire orientation and want to get people into the program as soon as possible. Our most successful clients do a great job of capturing new employees as soon as possible. And so by inviting them here as soon as you hire them, you're able to get them in the system a little bit more quickly than if we wait for the employee's report to arrive. You'll also see a message employees option here. Most of the functionality here is being replaced by our campaigns feature, but you will see a few different filters that you can use to send messages to different groups of employees.